This video tutorial shows how to open and optionally project a result on the planner. Usually, it is not necessary to use this mechanism. To find the best possible timetables, we will work directly on the original configuration in the planner, experimenting with the results obtained by the engine. However, the projection mechanism can be useful if you want to add new sessions on a previously resolved result, or if it is necessary to partially maintain it, to recalculate it with the engine. There are two ways to project a result. You can use a command from the editor to open the result that is currently being viewed with the planner, or you can simply open a file that contains the result from the planner itself. When you open a result, the planner will offer you the possibility of prefixing the position in which the elements were placed. To predetermine these positions, we use the thumb tag icon on the templates of all the sessions in each of its lists. Consider that not only the class units are prefixed, but the meetings, complementary sessions, and on-call hours can also be predetermined through the projection. If all the positions of the previous result are prefixed and the engine is used, it will be forced to take into account exactly the same position, as long as other conditions do not prevent it. However, the assigned classroom may vary. When loading a result in the planner, only the position can be prefixed. This possibility is very interesting to preserve a result as needed. On the projection of the result in the planner, you can modify the configuration of the elements freely. You can create new class units or modify their weekly distribution and the time frame itself. Since all positions are prefixed, the engine will have very little room to move the class units. If you want to avoid this, you must delete the predetermined positions in those sessions that you want to allow the engine to move. To do this, the planner has a clean templates command that will help you remove the prefixed positions you want from the list of class units, complementary sessions, meetings, or on-call hours. With this command, you can remove all the prefix positions of all the elements within each list. In the list of class units, if there is a selection made in the filter, the predetermined positions will only be removed in the selected class units. On the other hand, if there is no selection, the prefixed positions will be deleted from all the class units, so that the engine will have greater freedom of movement. The projection mechanism could also be useful, for example, to obtain the timetable. Then, once the class units and meetings are added on top of a fixed timetable, you can add the complementary sessions or calculate the on-call hours. Thank you for your attention.